Happy Halloween, everyone! Today I am going to create a 3D spider on its web. Thank you so much to my friend Layla for suggesting this design. Any suggestions, please let me know. Let's get started. First, please support me by clicking that red subscribe button so I can continue making these videos. Links to products I use are always in the description box below. Also, you can do these designs on your own nails as well. I only use a fake plastic nail for recording purposes. Step 1. Use a couple of medium beads of orange acrylic and liquid monomer and paint the whole background orange. Make sure the color is opaque. Step 2. After that, use gray or black acrylic on the bottom half of the nail to create a gradient. It's okay if it's not perfect, as we will be covering it up later. Step 3. Add some silver glitter to the whole nail for some sparkle. Step 4. Add some gel top coat and cure in your lamp for 30 seconds in case you make mistakes on the next steps. Step 5. Draw on 3 white lines from a corner of the nail to the bottom of the nail and connect the lines with curves like a spider web with white nail polish or gel white nail polish. Step 6. Repeat the same process with black, but trace the lines to the right of the white lines to create a shadow effect, as you can see here. If you make any mistakes or would like to change anything, you can just remove with nail polish remover and keep going, because your design below that you cured will not mess up. Step 7. Apply gel top coat and cure in a UV lamp for 30 seconds. Step 8. Next, apply big beads of black acrylic for the spider body on top corner of the spider web, and add a smaller bead of acrylic for the head. Add spider legs with small beads of acrylic. Step 9. Add 2 white dots with nail polish for the eyes of the spider with a dotting tool, and 2 smaller black dots inside of the white ones for the pupils. Step 10. Slowly apply gel top coat and cure for 30 seconds. Admire your masterpiece! You can have all of your nails like this or create spider webs and one accent nail with a spider. You can also change any part of the design such as colors or direction of the webs for more variation. If you have any suggestions or comments, please let me know. Thank you for watching and don't forget to check out my other videos. Happy Halloween!